Welcome back. Well, it looks like we're going to see a dreary pattern to stay with us. Plenty of clouds through the rest of the week. On and off rain overnight tonight through tomorrow, but not as much as we were projecting just a few days ago, with big rain staying offshore. But the weekend looking good, and we might have another wet weather maker in the 10-day forecast before we get to Thanksgiving. So let's take a look first off here at the big picture as we look at the upper level low that is creating our weather that's going on right now. This is going to stay with us for a while because it's going to be a slow mover. It's getting cut off from the jet stream, which is way up here up into Canada and then the northeast. So a slow moving system. And oh, by the way, we are looking at this system down here in the Western Caribbean. National Hurricane Center gives it a 70% chance of development, but it's going to be heading northeastward away from us, so no issues there. And then we go back to the west, more energy stacking up here in the west. This is going to be our next weather system that gets here in about a week. So things moving slowly, but at least we're getting a more progressive weather pattern. You can see how it's manifesting right now across the U.S. The main action, all with the upper level low that's back here across Texas and the surface low that's developing in the western Gulf of Mexico, throwing a shield of rain from Texas all the way to the Florida Panhandle. As we scan the regional Doppler radars, heaviest action offshore. We'd like a little bit more rain to help put a dent in the drought, but we don't want street flooding or localized flooding, so we'll take what we can get at this point. And as we bring in Power Doppler 3, you notice you get north and west of Lafayette Parish. It is relatively quiet and is even quieted down in the western parishes, but as we just showed you, there's more precip upstream on the way. The best rains along the coast, the most moderate rains across St. Mary Parish from Franklin all the way to Morgan City and lower St. Martin Parish as well down along the coast, and some moderate rains toward Abbeville, but this is mostly light to moderate, really not a whole lot to get worried about. Excellent sleeping weather type of rainfall, and so far not much rain. You get into the lighter shades of blue, you're pushing almost an inch of rain. It's a quarter to a half inch in the blue area. Then you get into the green, you're in the half inch to 1 inch or a little bit over an inch area, and much heavier amounts as you get out here in the Gulf of Mexico based on our Doppler radar estimates. So here's that low moving northward. The biggest storms stay offshore. The backside of this system will see scattered activity on and off throughout the afternoon tomorrow. So it's not going to be a continuous rain, but just an unsettled pattern. And it stays cool. It stays breezy. Temperatures don't change a whole lot. And then even as we head into Wednesday, still lingering clouds. The upper low is going to be pretty much over us by then. And you can see breezy northeast winds, so a little bit of a chill in the air with temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. And look at this thing. It takes a while before it moves away, so it's going to be rough offshore for several days. There is a gale warning in effect for tonight. As for rain totals, here's the latest graph model, and it may be overdoing the additional rain, so I don't think we're going to see these rain totals, maybe less, but you go out into the Gulf of Mexico, boy, look at this hot spot. This is a hot spot of 20 inches or more out here in the Gulf of Mexico, so a good place to have it. Sorry for the offshore workers that are working out there, but upwards of 5 to 10 inches of rain or more locally. We're going to see all totaled a half inch to 1 to 2 inches, and that's including the half inch to an inch we've already had so far. So not as much rain as we were projecting, but we'll take the rain nonetheless. Upper 50s your low tonight. Tomorrow lower 60s your high. Numbers don't change a whole lot. Upper 50s again tomorrow night, and going into Wednesday afternoon might push the lower 60s. Notice where there might be sun. You'll see temperatures approaching 70 towards southeast Texas. So you can see the lightning offshore. I kind of want to hold this frame just to show the true view sky action with those storms to the south of us. Just plain old rain across the area here. Biggest soaking coastal parishes overall. Just a rainy night ahead. Be careful on the roadways though. They're slick and they're wet and it's harder to see, so slow down out there if you're traveling. Cloudy, breezy, and cool day tomorrow. We'll say occasional showers. Best chance of rain will be down toward the coast once again, and those showers begin to diminish right around this time tomorrow evening. Moving forward, maybe a few sprinkles early Wednesday, just plain old cloudy, breezy, and cool. Clouds stay through Friday. A little bit brighter days ahead on Friday. Next weather system coming up Monday or Tuesday. We'll say another wet weather maker will bring in the European model here. Here is Monday. Low pressure developing, and this could allow for another chance of showers and some embedded storms. So we'll see how that plays out. And then we get toward Thanksgiving. It dries out, and we're going with highs in the low to mid 60s and lows. Nice and cool in the morning. Mid-40s under that secondary front that we see next week. In the near term, though, rainy pattern stays for a while, but no major issues, so that is the good news. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.